Yeah, good day everyone and welcome to this tutorial. And in this tutorial I'm going to be guiding you through the new portal that was launched by Corporate Affairs Commission of Nigeria, which we popularly known as CAC. So we can see since July 11 they make a post that are going to launch a new portal which we know as the ICPR 3.0. ICPR 3.0 is a portal that is implemented with AI. So AI, the plan they have in mind is to develop AI that will make registration to be more faster, unlike before. Unlike previously, last week we register many business name. Within 30 to 1 hour we get the business register, unlike many times that we are going to be waiting for more than 3 to 4 days, 5 days before we get approval. So this is their aim and mission. They want to accomplish, they want to integrate AI to their portal, and that is what is going on in the era we find ourselves now. People are using AI. So kudos to CAC bodies for what they have done. Though there are many challenges along the way, they are still working on updating the portal every day. So let's dive. Once you come to their main homepage, you click on online registration. It will take you back here. It will take you to the new interface. Wow, you can see welcome to ICPR, AI powered CRP. That is company registration portal. That is what CRP means. So that is what it means. So it means you are going to be getting your work faster, instant approval. So when you submit a name, it's going to approve it faster. The AI will tell you whether the name is available or not. That is one of the great advantage that we are having here as a CAC agent or as an individual that is registering business on CAC portal. Luckily, you are welcome to this channel, and if you need access to accredited agent portal, you can reach out to us on our WhatsApp group. We are going to guide you through and connect you to our platform. You are welcome. So let's dive into it. So once you have your login information, you log in. Once you log in, they are going to be sending 8 OTP because this is the new development. You are going to have OTP before you can access your portal, so you need to have OTP. So you have OTP before you can log in. So I have my OTP here as an accredited agent, so I've logged in. Wow, this is the portal. This is the new interface of CAC portal. Unlike before, this is what we have now, and many people got confused. So that is what we are going to be explaining here. I know there are many videos online, but here I am going to be getting the best because I'm going to be guiding you step by step. Number one, we have pre-incorporation. Pre-incorporation is the old portal where we can do name reservation, we can do our proper registration. It's still the same portal, but just that they have little arrangement. You can see the way we have it now. You know, before they don't list out all the column of the name that we have reserved, we have registered like this before. But this is the new development that the Corporate Affairs Commission have done. They have it now. So if you want to reserve a name, you have to click here, new name reservation. You put your name, let's say business name, what did you type, sole proprietorship. Then you click on continue. Let me say I don't have any name in mind, but let me just put a name. Anyone, let me put a name, ABC Gold and Silver enterprises. So I don't have any name in mind. Let me just put something. Now under this section where we select the nature of business category, there is an option whereby you can select, even though you don't have your own nature of business, which is other personal activities. It has been removed from here, so you don't have access to write your description when you are writing business name again. So you can select from all this. You can select and figure out the nature of your business. So let's say AB Gold is dealing with let me see, art and creation. Let's check. Let's say we are dealing with art and craft design. Let's just say like that. So this is the nature of business, art, craft and design. That is what is going to appear on your certificate. So you must be very careful when you are selecting this thing. And if you need help in getting the area of the nature of your business, you can reach out to us on WhatsApp. We are going to help you out. We have a complete document that explains all the categories and the subcategory one after the other. So for you to check the availability, you are going to click on check availability, and this AI is going to tell you if the name is available immediately or not. That is what I love about it. Wow, ABC Gold and Silver Enterprises is available. You can see the AI has automatically run through the CAC database and be able to implement and tell us back and give us the result that the name is available. Wow, this is a great development. So if I want to continue my registration now, I can tell you that I can get this registration within 30 minutes to 1 hour. So I will just click on continue. I will make payment for my name reservation. Once I make payment, once I click on continue payment, I'm going to make my payment. Once I make payment, then I can continue with the proper filing of the registration. And you are going to get your document. If I check mail now, see one of the registration that I did last week. See them here. These are the registration. They are sending certificate to the email, to our agent email, and also you get your certificate on the dashboard. So that is the new development. Another thing here, you see, you click on dashboard back. You can search for name that you reserve. You can search for name, the status, whether it's pending, not submitted, query, or this and that. You can search for it here. So if your name is approved, you are going to see it here, just like the way we have it before. If your name is query, you are going to see it here. If it's on pending, it's going to be here. If you have not submitted any of the name that you want to reserve, you are going to see it in this section. So this is all about pre-incorporation portal. Now they also create another button for name reservation. This is it. It's just like coming here and clicking here. It's just the same. Now name requiring, you can see in this place, we don't see when we click on new name reservation, we don't see where we can reserve name for NGO. So it's not there. It's on this section that you are going to see it. Apply for name concept. So you apply for it. It's for NGO and other organizations like that, like group of company. So this is where you are going to do that. So let's say you have reserved your name, you want to continue registration, and you log out. So you are going to come to registration column here. You are going to see your name here. Then you are going to continue. Like this Obitech bright light, we have started registration I think on Friday, and we didn't complete it. So you have to come here, click on action and continue registration, complete application to continue. So this is how you are going to do that. So the same thing is applicable to post-incorporation portal. The same thing, the post-incorporation portal is where you can do your annual return, you can do change of address, change of name, change of nature of business, and many of them like that. So that is where you can do that. So we are going to be making a video on how to resolve query on this channel. So stay tuned to this channel. You are going to be getting more video about CAC registration. So if you have any question about navigating through the new CAC portal, you can reach out to us on our WhatsApp group, and you can also join our WhatsApp community. It's available, it's open to you to ask questions any day, anytime. We also have our academic page where we have our CAC registration video and some other video. That is givtechacademy.co.ng. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, please drop in the comment section. Our team is they are going to reply you. We are going to attend to you. So thanks for watching. Let me tell you what's come up for you. Tell us what come up for you in this video. If you have any question, we love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload any video, you are going to be aware. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.